Of all the genre of books that you can find, the one I like the most is sci-fi or science fiction, and that is because the stories are interesting, fantastic, and they talk about worlds where you can imagine things from aliens all the way up to superheroes or maybe different types of monsters. One of my favorites is Ender's Game because it talks about a boy that is armed with a group of soldiers in order to fight a group of aliens to save Earth. And that is why I like sci fi. In the passage, what was discussed is the topic of eating in classes at university. First, it declared that this would allow students to concentrate more by taking small foods during breaks of the class. And then it could also make parties or ways of entertainment for students at the end of the semester. Now, the man in the conversation stated that he was against this idea since he thought eating in class would allow students to get distracted more easily thanks to the noise made by the crunching of snacks or different foods. And also, it would make time more scarce for reviewing for different exams or for quizzes. At the surface of the ocean, the organisms find it very easy to catch food, but when it comes to the deepest parts of the sea or the ocean, it is a bit more difficult for animals living there to get what they need in order to survive. Two examples of adaptation that can be mentioned are the ability to produce light for some fishes in order to catch food. This means that they can get prey easily and allow them to eat faster or at a wider range when it comes to different animals. And the other adaptation is having large structures for keeping great amounts of food and allow them to survive for a great amount of time in the depths of the ocean.